Welcome back to our series on minimalism. In our previous video, we delved into the concept of minimalism and how I've incorporated this lifestyle into various things, aspects of my life, including work, relationships, and finances. The benefits of minimalism have been astonishing, and it's been an inspiring journey towards embracing the idea of knowing enough for happiness. What components make up a reset routine, and why is it so vital? Amidst the whirlwind of daily life, it's easy for things to descend into disarray, overwhelming us in the process. A reset routine becomes an indispensable instrument for reclaiming authority over our lives and reinstating harmony. It's a dedicated period for recentering our thoughts, revitalizing our bodies, and organizing our environment, preparing us for the obstacles that await in the coming weeks. To me, it's the essential break needed to gather myself and tackle things with a renewed outlook. Sundays are usually designated for my reset routine, a day when I switch off my alarm and wake up slowly. This act resembles resetting my inner clock, creating a much calmer atmosphere in the mornings and establishing a positive atmosphere for the day ahead. In our hectic lives, waking up without an overwhelming schedule is a rare luxury, easing both mental and physical burdens. Amidst the current seasonal transition, if the weather is scorching hot, I've opted to forego my usual coffee in favor of crafting a refreshing beverage, such as an iced matcha latte. Not only do I relish its taste, but I also find solace in the preparation process itself. It's almost therapeutic to simply go through the motions. Having adopted a more minimalist lifestyle, I've ceased buying new books. Although audiobooks offer convenience, I occasionally yearn for the tactile sensation of paging through a book adorned with captivating visuals. Consequently, I've opted to borrow hardcover editions from the nearby library. This method accommodates my ever-changing interests, sparing my shelves from becoming inundated with books that might only be perused once. Normally, I fit in a brief workout before starting my day. Yet during leisurely days like today, I embrace the chance to engage in outdoor yoga. It's fascinating how swiftly we acclimate to our environment, yet this familiarity can lead to taking it for granted. Despite residing on a picturesque island, I believe I didn't fully grasp its lush nature and serenity until a few years ago. Now, I prioritize spending time outdoors whenever possible, relishing the fresh air as I walk barefoot on the grass. One essential aspect of my reset routine involves planning out my upcoming weeks and reviewing my calendar. This practice helps me avoid feeling overwhelmed with anxiety when Monday rolls around. Moreover, I understand the importance of a clutter-free environment in fostering productivity. Hence, on Sundays, I dedicate myself to resetting my space through thorough cleaning, decluttering, and organization. This involves not only regular chores, but also tasks like sorting recycling, scrubbing the shower, and addressing miscellaneous needs. I strongly believe that our surroundings profoundly impact our daily experiences, underscoring the necessity of maintaining them to establish a strong foundation for all other endeavors. Robert Frost beautifully articulated that the small instances in life act as the fibers binding us to our loftiest dreams. His words deeply resonate with me. It's effortless to disregard the ordinary moments of our day-to-day routines, doing dishes, caring for plants, or enjoying a leisurely walk. However, these seemingly mundane activities form the foundation of our lives. We should treat them with the same attentiveness and respect we afford to life's more monumental occasions. Adopting this perspective motivates me to infuse every moment with significance, regardless of whether I have specific plans or destinations. I find joy in cherishing the small pleasures scattered throughout my day, cultivating a sense of contentment with my reality above all else. Just as I diligently care for my plants, I make a conscious effort to prioritize self-love and attention. It's easy to overlook our own needs while attending to various responsibilities. Whether it involves treating my hair to a deep conditioning session, Indulging in a soothing face mask or facial massage while in the shower, or simply dedicating time to nurturing self-care rituals, I've discovered that these modest gestures have a profound impact on my well-being. Exploring my skin and body has been a voyage, uncovering the products that harmonize best with my needs and gradually integrating them into my daily regimen. Along this journey, I've learned to cherish the importance of nurturing my spirit through activities that bring unadulterated joy. Playing the piano, in particular, holds a special place for me in this regard. Despite lacking formal training, every piece I tackle represents an opportunity for personal growth, allowing me to cultivate new expressive abilities. I've come to understand that inspiration is essential for nurturing my creativity. Ideas and passion don't just appear, they need to be cultivated over time. Recently, I've been captivated by the history of Beethoven's symphonies, finding inspiration in learning and interpreting his compositions. Immersing myself in these musical pursuits enables me to temporarily escape the stresses of deadlines and responsibilities, fully engrossing myself in the world of music. Regardless of the difficulties of the day or the challenges life throws our way, it's crucial to remember that we always have the opportunity to reset. My wish is for everyone to discover a reset routine that suits them, an avenue to realign, recharge, and reclaim command over their lives. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any other questions. If you've developed a good sense of maturity in your life through different experiences, then let's have a discussion in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe. And as always, follow your heart, my friend, and take action and go live the life you're born to live. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video soon. Take care.